Hi, I'm Dan Xu. I'm one of the digital transformation designers from Digital Society School. For the past 2 years, I've been working on the digital to physical track. I got interested in the digital to physical as a trend started with when I saw this increasing amount of digital infrastructure start appearing in our physical world, and before brick and mortar environment is able to respond to our behaviors in an unexpected way. For instance, through the use of sensors and provide back multi-sensory feedback. And so in the past 2 years, I've started collaborating with some partners and also trainees from DSS to work on similar projects that we use sensors and augment the physical environment with digital augmentation to explore some more playful or unexpected social interactions in the physical space. So in the past 2 years in DSS, I'm lucky enough to get a lot of practical experience instead of formal education in Leiden University that is more focused on academic research, which I think is a very valuable experience and way of learning, that by actually doing things and creating or designing, we say. Yeah. So let's also brings my perspective, shaped my perspective on academic research as well, is that can we do research in a different way? Can we actually design research instead of the traditional paper hoarding and rule-following process? Yeah. So my experience in DSS is approaching the end, and next I will move on to a PhD program still in Leiden University with my old master program. Yeah, but then I would like to explore more of creative research methods, as well as the past 2 years that my experience with interacting with people from different backgrounds and coaching them and trying to be an inspiring a figure to them in their way of trying to do something for digital transformation of the society. So I would like also to bring this experience into the academic world and maybe also have a new approach to education or to interacting with students in an academic setting as well.